Hey everyone, welcome to A Viking Creates. In today's episode, I'm going to teach you how to make latex foam, just like what I've been using to build up my Plague Mutant arm here. Latex foam is really nice because it's flexible, it's lightweight, it's durable. When you put it on, it makes this really great texture that you can paint directly on, or you can put another layer of latex over top of it to make it nice and smooth. And the nice thing too is that you can actually cut it and it'll still have the same properties all the way through. So in order to make latex foam, it's actually really cheap. All you need is some basic polyfill, just like this. It comes in a great big bag. It's used for pillows, stuffed animals, blankets, and it's only about $4 for a big bag of it. The other thing you need is some liquid latex. I'm just using just a simple generic liquid latex here, and it was about $5 for the bottle on Amazon. Alright, let's get started. So to begin, take your liquid latex and just pour some out into a tray or plate or whatever surface you want to use for this. Then take a little bit of polyfill, just a handful, and begin working it back and forth into the liquid latex. Your goal here is to get the liquid latex all the way through and really saturate that polyfill. And you just kind of work it back and forth. As you see, I didn't have enough on the tray, so I poured some more onto it. And the nice thing is you can pour it directly to it and it'll diffuse right into it. And then once you've saturated it, just continue to kind of work it back and forth. It'll take on almost like a dough-like consistency. Or if you're old enough to remember space foam, it feels just like that. Once you've got it nice and saturated, you can go ahead and start kneading it out and flatten it out to reduce the size and to increase the area that you're going to cover with it. And then once you're happy with that, you can apply it directly onto your proper costume piece. And then you'll continue to flatten it down, making sure that you get all the edges pressed down really good. A little bit goes a long way, so you actually get a lot of coverage with this. And it's okay to have some of the liquid latex run out the sides. Just make sure you don't have it sitting near anything you don't want liquid latex on, and that you have a paper towel handy to catch any of the excess. And there you have it, your very own latex foam. Once that layer is dry, you can always add additional layers to increase the build volume. And you can use a hairdryer to speed up the drying times. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. You can find me on Facebook at A Viking Creates. And if you like what I'm doing, head over to the Patreon and subscribe at www.patreon.com/A Viking Creates. Got some pretty good rewards on there, and I'm always looking to add some new stuff. Alright, until next time, thanks.